our new podcast. Today we're going to talk about depression, suicide prevention, and where you can seek for help. But first, hi, my name is Fabiola.
And my name is Arlette. Now we're going to start. Fabiola, have you ever think what depression is and how severe it is?
Yes, Arlette, it's very severe and it's a very common problem nowadays.
Let's talk about depression. Depression is an illness that involves the brain. Everyone occasionally feels sad, but these feelings are usually short-lived and within days it goes out. When you have depression, it affects with daily life and causes severe problems.
Also, many people with depression never seek for treatment. The treatment includes psychotherapies, medication, and other methods.
That a lot of people and sometimes they do not seek for help and feelings of depression do not go away. There are some symptoms of depression such as long-term sadness, loss of interest or pleasure in activities you used to enjoy, change in weight or eating habits, difficulty in sleeping or oversleeping, and energy loss.
Because depression is a disorder in the brain, there is a variety of causes. These include genetic, environmental, psychological, and biochemical factors.
That is interesting, but have you ever wondered why do people get depressed? There is not a single cause for depression, but there are factors that can influence such as genetics, environment, life events, medical conditions, and also the way people react to things that happen in normal life.
Genetics and research has shown that depression runs into families and some people inherit this illness and are more likely to get depressed. Genes may be a factor of depression, but they aren't a single cause. There are also different life events that are when a family member, friend, or someone important died. This may lead to depression. Family and social environment also can affect and many lead to depression.
We already know that depression involves the brain and that it's a chemical imbalance in the brain. But what happens to the brain in depression? Depression involves the brain's delicate chemistry. It involves chemicals called neurotransmitters. These chemicals help send messages between nerve cells in the brain that regulate the mood. And if they run low, people can become depressed, anxious, or stressed.
Arlette, there are two types of depression. Major depression, that is the short-lasting type, and the longer-lasting types, that is more severe, and is called dysthymia. The depression can lead to a bipolar disorder because depression is a part of this illness.
Yes, Fabiola, depression is a major risk factor for suicide. People that are depressed sometimes think that suicide is the best way to end with the pain they are suffering. Talking about being dead, feel hopelessness, saying goodbye, negative critics about you, and extreme depressed are warnings and signs of suicide.
More than 20 million people in the United States suffer from depression. And if you're depressed, don't be ashamed to tell someone or seek for help. And if you know someone that is depressed and is thinking of suicide, please seek for help. Don't wait, it can be too late. You can save a life.
Some local institutions or doctors you can visit in Torreón, Coahuila are Joaquín Moreno in Street Juárez and Hidalgo, number 630. Also to the center in the street Luis J. Garza, number 408 in Colonia Las Margaritas, and also in Psicología Integral that is found in Corregidora, number 76 Oriente in Colonia Centro.
Some national institutions you can seek for help are in Mérida, Yucatán, Street 59, without number, Colonia Francisco Madero. Also in the Centro de Psicología Integral, Mexico. It's open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. The telephone is 13-15-7620 and is in Casa del Ciprés, Tlalpan, in Ciudad de México.
There are a lot of international centers for help for depression, suicide prevention, and other disorders. Some of them are Newton, Massachusetts Office Suicide Prevention Resource Center, Education Development Center, 55 Chapel Street, Newton, MA 02458 1060.
For more information, you can go to this site and you're going to find tons of information about these topics. www.nmha.org, www.afsp.org, and saveusa.org.
Thank you for hearing. We hope this information is useful for you and help us save a life. Thank you.